Hello and welcome back to another RV walkthrough. As always, my name's Taylor Quayle. We're here at Padada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona. And today we're going to look at a 2016 Thor Motor Coach Access 24.1. This is technically a Class A gasser, no slide, twin bed setup. It's a pretty cool, unique floor plan. So let's give it a full exterior and interior look, and we'll see what this coach has to offer. So first up, you got some smaller tires on this guy, 225 75R16s. These are dated 2015, so they are original tires. Actually still look pretty good, surprisingly enough. Not full body paint, it is a decal coach, so you got some stripes on it. You can see a little nick right there on it, but overall they look pretty good, even though this coach is 7 years old already. Your first storage compartment, and that is a top pass-through, and you see it does also have the drain in there. One thing I love about these Accesses, they're on the E-Series chassis, so they're very similar to a Class C. No exterior step. It's low enough to where you don't have a step coming out. Outdoor entertainment, a little TV right there, some storage, some more storage, your furnace, your outdoor speakers, your fridge exhaust, and then your water heater, which should be a 6-gallon. It is. Oh boy, here we go. Let's see if I can get that. Hold on, I gotta put you guys on pause. Alright, we got it. And then you got potable water right above it. Frameless style windows, nice big storage here in the rear with some lights. Got the generator on to get the AC going because it is hot in Tucson. Look at that 8,000-pound hitch with your 710. All right, what about the roof? Ooh wee, it is bright up here. Here's the roof of this 25-foot RV, and then of course your awning. Awning cloth's actually in really good condition. Nothing to point out on the roof. Got a max force vent covers on 3 different areas, and then your Coleman mock AC unit. All right, then on the driver's side, got a little bit of surface rust. It's gonna be loud, I'm sorry. Fuel fill, 30 amp coax, same Michelin tires, city water connection here, exterior shower there. Stripes all look pretty good on this side, couple small scratches in that black one. Looks like we got to replace the slide topper. That thing's all messed up. And then your compartments on this side, that one's just a tank. This one's your actual dump station right in the middle, just for your plumbing. And then you got 12.2 gallons on that propane tank. A little bit of surface rust on that. And then the engine. Got the V10 Triton engine in here, 305 horse. All right, let me get all these compartments shut, and now I'll show you the inside. All right, let's jump inside. So, like I said, no step that comes out, just 2 steps, well, I guess 3 steps going in. Do have batteries right there. Right when we walk into the left, you got a disconnect and awning control, leveling system right there, auto leveling, and light controls in a 110. And this is what you see when you first come in. Hold on, let me decline this call. Don't want to talk to you. It's my brother-in-law. All right, so I lied to you. I don't know if I said no slide earlier. There is a single slide out in this, obviously. It's a couch slide. This table cannot stay here when the slide comes in. You do have to remove the legs and move that table. Well, and then you got your kitchen here on the passenger side. Of course, bedroom in the back. And then the front. So over here on the left, we got mirror controls. We got wiper controls, light controls. 44,043.3 miles. Backup camera, cab lights, emergency start, gen start, night shade, right there. And then fog lights. And then last but not least, up in the cab, passenger gets a little flip over desk area. And they do also have, they should have an outlet right there. Seats are in pretty good condition. I don't see any issues with them. They don't seem to be super used. See how the driver looks. Driver looks the same. Actually looks really good. Little small marks up there, but no rips or tears. Right. And if you didn't notice, there is an overhead bunk in this coach. You got the little button for it right here. Lower that. Got yourself another additional sleeper with the 500-pound capacity. TV is located right above the entry door. 763.5 hours on the genset, water pump, slide control, water heater. And then your kitchen. So the kitchen, they do give you a little pop-up leaf because there's really not much counter space in here, as you can see. You got your little single sink, 3-burner stovetop with the cover, convection microwave. Oh, look at the DVD player up there. And then down below, a little bit of storage. Got a whole bunch of these drawers. 4 of those drawers, 2 of those drawers, and then to the right is where the actual fridge is. It's a Norcold 2-door. And then we got closet, bedroom, bath. And then the only other thing up front besides obviously this couch is we do have some overhead storage. Big old mirror right there. All right, we'll check out the bathroom last. Let's go look at the bedroom. It's a twin bed setup. I love these twin bed floor plans. Very usable if you got somebody staying with you that you don't like all that much. And then we got a whole bunch of storage up above, like a lot, which is very nice. Those 2 are connected, 2 in the rear are connected, and then the 2 on the side are connected. Step back here a little bit, another Seiki TV in here, thermostat, charging station, Jensen multimedia device. There is a little accordion style door to help separate it. And then, how well are we gonna do this with one hand? Not too bad actually. Put that little filler piece in and boom, you got yourself a massive, almost pretty much a king bed. I'll put on the actual size of it on the screen because I don't know. You got a couple drawers right there. So very cool. Basic, but a cool little twin bed setup bedroom. Now, your bathroom in this is super unique. So you open this door, it is got a little magnet piece up there that will go into that black piece. Act as kind of a holder. You still got a little gap here. But then when we turn the corner, you'll see we got toilet, raised pedestal toilet, a little corner shower there, maybe a little sink. And then, get out here. There's your actual shower. Pretty interesting little cabinet to hold stuff and some storage. But what's even more unique about this bathroom is, a little medicine cabinet. We got this random door right here. This does also push. So, I'm sitting on the toilet right now. You stare directly at the fridge, which I don't know, that's kind of cool. If you're gonna be doing your business for a while, grab yourself a beer, grab a soda, a little shit. You know, shower beers is actually a reality in this thing. But pretty interesting, pretty unique. It's got actually quite spacious when you have both the doors open. It's quite tight when both of them are closed, but definitely different. Haven't seen too many setups like that. All right, guys, that's pretty much it. That's your walkthrough. Now, I know, as usual, there is a slide, so let's put this slide in, see what it looks like while you're traveling, and check out the outside. And here it is. As you can see, obviously your 2 little holes down there were covered up by the slide. Have to remove that table and the legs. Other than that, I mean, really, not much changes except the space you get right here with the slide out. Such a good little access right here, all the way back to the bedroom. The bathroom doesn't get affected. It's always just a little tight to get in and out of, but you know, same as it was before. All right. So here it is from the outside. This is the only difference, awning in, compartments in, and then of course the other side should look a little bit different. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Hopefully it answered a question you had on this Access if you are looking at one. This one is currently for sale for $53,000 here at Pedada RV Center here in Tucson, Arizona. I'll put all my contact info on the screen. If you have any questions on this unit, you're welcome to contact me. Like I said, we will, you know, fix the awning, stuff like that. And this thing hasn't even been cleaned, so it actually came in, you know, decently clean. Overall, for a used coach, you never know, some 7 years old. But thank you so much for viewing. Hopefully you enjoyed. Hit that sub button down below. It helps me out with the old algorithm. Maybe shoot a like on the video, all that fun stuff. Thank you so much. Have a great day.